Hi guys, welcome to If the Creek Don't Rise. I haven't been on this side of the camera for a few weeks, and so I thought I'd hop over here and say hi and a big warm welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers that I have, all the many visitors that I've had. It's surprised me, it's made me happy, so thank you so much. I want to give a big warm welcome to all of you that have subscribed. And if you're considering subscribing, I would love to have you. I'm a new channel, just kind of getting started. And so all of you are welcome to come along on this journey. Having fun so far. Give a big thank you to Fallon from Moss Family TV. She's such a sweetheart, and she offered an open collaboration called Fall Food Friday, where you could share a recipe that you enjoyed that was kind of fall inspired. And that really urged me to kind of get out there and take some incentive to put some videos out there, and it's given me some exposure that I wouldn't have had otherwise, and an opportunity to kind of meet some new people and to get some subscribers. I appreciate that, Fallon, so much. Thank you. And yeah, I've just enjoyed it, and so thank you for all of you who have subscribed, who've come over from her channel. So for today's video, I am making pumpkin bars with homemade cream cheese icing. They are delicious, they melt in your mouth, and I thought, how can you participate in a fall food collaboration without offering something pumpkin, right? This one is a really good one. I've been making this one for years, and so I think you'll like it. If you like pumpkin, give it a try. They're very moist and delicious. And so I'm gonna get right into the recipe. I do want to say though, I'm a lifestyle channel. I'm going to be sharing videos, just documenting some things around here at our house, where we've been in our home for 2 years, this particular home for 2 years. We're doing some remodeling work. My husband just built a big porch on the front of our house. There's just a lot of fun that happens down here in the country where we live. I want to share some of that. And then also some recipes and, oh, I don't know, just some little tidbits, I guess, of our daily life. So if you're interested in something like that, I appreciate that you've stopped by, and I'd love to have you. So without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe for these delicious pumpkin bars. All right, guys, I am getting ready to make a favorite dessert around here, and it's called pumpkin bars with cream cheese icing. They're easy. The best part about them, they are so moist, and then the cream cheese icing on top, they just melt in your mouth. So I'm going to get into showing you how to put this recipe for pumpkin bars together. Here are the ingredients you need for the cake portion. So it's 2 cups of flour, 1 2/3 cup of sugar, a cup of oil, 4 eggs. We have a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just using the imitation because that's what I have. A 15-ounce can of pumpkin, and it's the pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie mix. And then you're going to have 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, so I'm going to get this all together in my stand mixer and get it going. Alright, getting ready to add in my pumpkin, and you're going to see the color change. Alright, doesn't that look delicious? And it smells wonderful. It's got that great color that comes along with using pumpkin. I've got my jelly roll pan sprayed very good with cooking spray. You can use oil or butter, I'm sure, but I'm a cooking spray gal. So I've got that ready, and this is getting ready to be put on the jelly roll pan. So here we go. Alright, so my pumpkin bars are in the oven, baking away. They bake on 350 for about 25 minutes. And so while they are in the oven baking, I'm going to start on my cream cheese frosting. So this is a 1/3 cup of softened butter, an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. You need 4 cups of powdered sugar. You need just a drizzle of milk, and that's going to help you get the right consistency. And you use, I think it's teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. So I'm sure the real deal vanilla would amp it up just a little bit, but it's going to taste pretty amazing as it is, even with the imitation. So I'm going to get the butter and the cream cheese on the stand mixer and let that get going. Once it's blended, I'm going to add in the powdered sugar and the vanilla, and then I'm going to thin it down if I need to with a little bit of milk. Here's a look at our cream cheese frosting, all whipped up and ready to go. Getting ready to pull the pumpkin bars out of the oven. Here's what they look like. I'm going to test them with a toothpick, make sure they're done all the way through. And then they have to cool completely before we put on the icing. Alright, I'm getting ready to ice the pumpkin bar. Alright, and here they are, all iced and ready to be sliced up and devoured, as I'm sure they will be. Got a few little lumps in my icing. I'm assuming that my butter just should have been a tad bit softer, but I can pretty much guarantee it's not going to affect how quick these get gobbled up.